Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that two-factor is available so restores work. Once done, check iCloud storage and free up space if needed. Backups fail when storage is full. Next, join a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the device into power to prevent interruption. These initial actions prevent common failures and let you run a full backup immediately without wasting time on reboots or device juggling. Now focus on what iCloud will store and why that matters. You enable iCloud Backup and then selectively include photos, messages, and app data because large apps or videos can exhaust limits. Once enabled, initiate a manual backup now so you see immediate progress and error messages. If storage is tight, go to Manage Storage and delete obsolete device backups. That frees space quickly. Make sure to wait for the progress bar to reach completion before changing. To finish, confirm the backup completed by checking the timestamp and size in iCloud storage details. That verifies integrity. If the backup still fails, restart the device, then try signing out and back into your Apple ID, only as a last resort because it temporarily removes some iCloud data. If progress stalls or never starts, reset network settings to clear Wi-Fi issues and rejoin the network. This often fixes stuck uploads. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.